You're making great money, but yet people say, I haven't heard of you. If you are not making an online presence and this is what people are saying about you, you're leaving crores of money on the table. What's stopping you from being the face of your industry? In this video, I will reveal why personal branding isn't optional anymore. It's your most powerful weapon to attract top tier clients, charge premium, and 5x your revenue even in a saturated market. You've built a successful business, you deliver value, but when your ideal client scrolls you online, do they even know that you exist? I call this an invisible expert syndrome, where business owners are doing incredible work but silently. No one outside of your existing circle knows you. No positioning, no authority, and no visibility. Let's look at some examples here. A top tier interior designer who gets zero media features or podcast invites. A consultant stuck in a referral only mode because he fears to be visible online. You know what the problem here is? The problem here is that you have built a product, but now you have to build a persona to sell it. Personal branding isn't showing off, it's showing up. It is the intentional strategic image that you project, and this could be through how you speak, how you dress up, post and position yourself online as well as offline. Your communication showcases the words and the tones that you use. Your visual image includes your body language, the etiquette, and also how well groomed you are. Next is your content. The content that you post online on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, all of that also speaks volumes about you. And hey, not to forget, even the stage presence that you make speaks a lot about you. It's about being memorable even before people need you, so that when they need you, they only remember and think of you and choose you. Well, here's the truth. People don't just buy your product or service, they buy trust. And trust only comes in when they see you as an authority, a category leader. Positioning yourself as a premium brand removes price objections and brings serious clients who value your worth. To activate your personal brand, start with these three powerful steps. Audit your digital image. Is your profile working in favor of you or against you? Refine your soft skills. The way you speak, your etiquette, your body language, and your confidence. These are all non-negotiable. Last but not the least, start showing up consistently, whether it is in networking platforms or Instagram, YouTube, any online platform. Maintain consistency. You don't need to go viral, you just have to be visible to the right people. You are already successful, but if you want to be unforgettable, your next move is personal branding. I have helped business owners like you to 5x their growth through the right image, voice, and presence. And I'm here to help you too. Hit that subscribe button if you're serious about growing your personal brand, and also the bell icon next to it so that you're notified each time a new video is uploaded. Comment below if you're ready to be seen, heard, and remembered. Share this with a fellow business owner who's too brilliant to stay invisible. So what are you waiting for? You can connect with me on my details provided in the description box below. You can email me on swabview6@gmail.com or also reach out to me via Instagram. I have put all the details in the description box below, so don't forget to look through the description box also if you wish to connect with me.